kindergartners, I am going to remind you how we did counting collections and teach you about a counting collections worksheet that I'm going to put up in your Google Classroom. Now, to do counting collections, you're going to need some bags or cups that can have different things that you found in your house. Could be pasta, little toys, could be beans, could be cotton balls, anything that you have in your house that you want to practice counting. Now for parents, usually we make these bags with between 10 to 20 items. Now, when you choose one you want to work on today, you're ready to get started. So I am going to look at this bag of pasta and I'm going to figure out how many pieces of pasta are in this bag. Now to do that, I am going to work on a worksheet that I have put in your Google Classroom. I wrote mine by hand, but the one in your classroom is typed. So there's a spot for your name and the date, and then you have to write the name of the object. So my name is Jaclyn. The date is April 29th, 2020. And I am counting pasta. Pasta. Now the first thing you're gonna do is make an estimate. How many do you think is in the bag without counting? You're just making a guess based on what it looks like. I estimated, and then you're gonna see a square. Inside the square, you're gonna write a number. So, how much pasta do I think is in this bag? Maybe 15? 15 pieces of pasta. It looks like more than 10. I'm gonna write 15. So to write the number 15, I know it starts with a 1 and then a 5. Now I'm going to count, okay? Now when we've done counting collections in the classroom, you get to choose how you organize what you have and how you're going to count it. So dump it out. We used to use trays, remember? Now I'm just gonna use my table. And I think I'm gonna make groups of 5 and count by 5s because I really like counting by 5s. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to make a new group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to make another group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then I have 1, 2 in another group. So you have a big square on your paper that says, here's how I counted. Now, mathematicians don't waste their time on super specific, gorgeous drawings like we might at another part of the day. I'm just gonna do a quick drawing. So to represent one piece of pasta, I'm gonna draw an oval. So I made groups of 5. Here's one group of 5, so I'm gonna draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Another group of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Another group of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then over here, I have 2 more. So this is how I counted. Next, it says, I counted blank, this square is where you're gonna write a number, all together. So now I need to figure out how many pieces of pasta did I count. We do know how to count by 5s. Remember when we used to do it with the calendar? So I'm gonna count 5, 10, 15, now I stop and I start counting up by 1s. 16, 17. I counted 17 pieces of pasta. So in that square, I'm going to write a 17. After that, there are some tricky bonus questions. How many groups of 10? Below that, how many ones left over? Okay, I think for me, the easiest way to figure this out is going to be to count groups of 10 and see the group and then see the ones left over. So I'm gonna put my pieces back together and I'm gonna make a new group of 10, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now I'm going to count how many I have in another group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right, you're probably already thinking about this with me. I have a 10 over here. I have 7 over here. So how many groups of 10 do I have? I have one group of 10. This one does not have 10 in it. So I have one group of 10. And how many ones left over? You probably remember, but if I don't, I can double check my work like a mathematician. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 left over. All right. That, my friends, is counting collections. And then you can go share it with somebody at your house. So I hope that you have fun making some bags of things that you can count. And when you do that and you fill out this paper that's on your Google Classroom, I would love to see it. So please share it with me.